Aquí hay un peña de picho aquí. Voy a poner. Ok, no. Aquí mira eso, te pone huevo. ¿Qué sacarlo, cera? Pero imagínate, que trae la novela que perdió.
Okay, so this is 10 yards with the Arsenal SAM7SF. Much different group than I got last time, but fairly tight. I'm pretty happy with that actually. Maybe like 2 flyers, the rest are pretty much touching. Out of 10 shots, that's pretty decent in my book. So obviously the group is low and I'll probably need to adjust, but I'm still waiting on my tool. So as soon as I get my tool, I'll be able to adjust that. So I didn't realize that I actually had it set to 100 meters, and that might be why I'm shooting low. I'm gonna bring it down to P and see how it does there. So I just lowered it to the D position, and this should hopefully help my grouping elevate a little higher in the point of impact.
Ceasefire, ceasefire. Ground, hold firearms.
Doing some mag dumps over there. Okay, so this is at 25 yards with the rifle sighted at 100 meters. So obviously it's going to be lower. So I just brought it down to the D position and we'll see if we can get it up a little higher. So this is in the D position, so definitely brought my grew up much higher. Not the best for 25 yards, but not too bad either. I'm really not shooting on a bench, I'm just shooting off my mag, so not too bad. Flyer over here, but decent group. This is 10 rounds, so I'm pretty happy with that on my AK. Before, I don't know why I was shooting in the upper right quadrant, but seems like I got everything pretty much in line now.